Dear students, welcome to the today's chemistry class. We are discussing redox reactions. In the last class, we discussed the definition of oxidation number and rules for assigning oxidation numbers to the unknown elements. Using that rules, let us find or let us calculate oxidation number of the elements present in the compounds. Calculation of oxidation numbers. Calculation of oxidation numbers of elements. Calculation of oxidation number of elements in the compounds. So we discussed rules for assigning the oxidation numbers of the elements. ಅಂದರೆ ಹೈಡ್ರೋಜನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದರ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಆಕ್ಸಿಜನ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅದರ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಆಲ್ಕಲಿ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಕಲೈನ್ ಅರ್ತ್ ಮೆಟಲ್ಸ್ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಅವುಗಳ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು, ಯಾವ ಥರ ಅಸೈನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. And if the elements are not combined with any other elements to form compound, then oxidation number is given to that element is 0. Using that rules, we have to find or calculate oxidation number of unknown element. ನಮ್ಮ ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ 8 ರೂಲ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಏನು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Let us take examples. Example 1. Calculate oxidation number of Mn manganese. Calculate oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4. So calculate oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4. Here the compound given is potassium permanganate. KMnO4 is nothing but potassium permanganate. In the rules we discussed oxidation number of alkali metal potassium. Potassium is belongs to first group alkali metal. Hence, in the compound, alkali metals gets oxidation state +1, and in the compound, the common oxidation state of oxygen is -2. But we did not discuss the oxidation number of manganese. So that here we have to find the oxidation state of manganese in KMnO4. So the given compound is KMnO4. So here let us find for potassium oxidation state is 1. So plus ಅಂತ ಹಾಕೋಬೇಕು. Plus we have to find the oxidation state Mn, right, as it is Mn plus 4 oxygen atoms we have. So that 4 into oxygen atoms common oxidation state in the compound is -2. It will be equal to 0. Compound is neutral. ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಕಾಂಪೌಂಡ್ KMnO4 ಅದರ ಮೇಲೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ it is equal to 0. Then solve 1 plus Mn minus, so that is 4 into -2 means -8, that is equals to 0. Mn 1 minus 8 means -7 equal to 0. Mn is equals to +7. Now the oxidation number of manganese in potassium permanganate is +7. ಸೊ ಈ ಥರ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೀಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಯಾವುದೇ ರೂಲ್ ನಾವು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಂಗನೀಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಇನ್ KMnO4. ವೆರಿ ಸಿಂಪಲ್. ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತೀವಿ, ಆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೆ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ, ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಲಿಮೆಂಟ್ ಯಾವುದಕ್ಕೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರಲ್ಲ ರೂಲ್ಸಲ್ಲಿ, ಅದನ್ನು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಸೊ ಹಿಯರ್ ವಿ ಡಿಡ್ ನಾಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೇಷನ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಆಫ್ Mn ಇನ್ ದ ರೂಲ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ the oxidation state of Mn using the oxidation state of potassium and using the oxidation state of oxygen. First example, that is calculate oxidation number of manganese in KMnO4. So manganese in KMnO4 is +7. Okay, next example 2. Calculate the oxidation number of Mn in MnO4 minus. Calculate the oxidation number of manganese in permanganate ion MnO4 minus. ಈ ಥರದ್ದು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ the given ion is MnO4 minus. ಹಾಗಾದರೆ Mn ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ, ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್. Keep as it is. Manganese Mn plus 4 oxygen atoms ಇದೆ ನಮಗೆ. 4 into oxidation number in the compound is -2, which will be equal to, ಈಗ 0 ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಈಗ equal to 0 ಅಂತ ಬರೀಬಾರ್ದು, because charge ion, this is -1 is there, so that equal to -1. ಚಾರ್ಜ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟಕ್ಕೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಪಾಸಿಟಿವ್ ಇರಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 0. ಓಕೆ, ದೆನ್ Mn, ಸೊ 4 into -2, ಸೊ -8 equal to -1, or Mn is equals to send -8 that side, so +8, so -1. Mn is equals to +7. So here also in the MnO4 minus, manganese oxidation number is +7. Okay, next example 3. Calculate oxidation number of Cr, chromium in K2Cr2O7. Calculate oxidation number of chromium. Cr is nothing but chromium. So calculate the oxidation number of chromium in potassium dichromate K2Cr2O7. So then take a given compound K2Cr2O7. In the rules we did not discuss the oxidation number about chromium. So we have to find the oxidation number of chromium from the compound K2Cr2O7 using the oxidation number of alkali metal potassium and the oxidation number of oxygen, that is -2. So we have 2 potassium atoms. So the 2 into potassium 1, oxidation state of potassium is 1, first group element, plus 2Cr, we have 2Cr, we don't know Cr oxidation number, and we have 2 chromium atoms. So 2Cr plus 7 oxygen atoms are there. 7 into oxygen atoms oxidation state in the compound is -2 equal to no charge on the compound, so equal to 0. So then simplify, 2 into 1 2 plus 2Cr minus, so 7 into 2 14, so that is equals to 0. 2Cr is equals to 2 minus 14. 2 minus 14 means 2Cr minus 12 equal to 0, or 2Cr is equals to 12, or Cr is equals to 12 by 2, so that is equals to plus 6. So in K2Cr2O7, for chromium has oxidation state plus 6. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ chromium na oxidation number plus 6. Next example 4. Calculate oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus. Calculate oxidation number of chromium in Cr2O7 2 minus. So Cr2O7 2 minus is called as dichromate ion. Cr2O7 2 minus ion is called as dichromate ion. So we have to calculate oxidation number of chromium in dichromate ion. So given ion is Cr2O7 2 minus. It is a charged ion. So we don't know chromium oxidation state, and we have 2 chromium atoms. So 2Cr keep as it is. 2Cr plus 7 oxygen atoms we have. 7 into oxygen atoms charge. Oxygen atom oxidation number, common oxidation number of oxygen in the compound is -2. That will be equal to charge is there. How much? -2. So here okay, the ion is charged. So it is 2 minus. So that will be equal to -2. Simplify. 2Cr minus 14 is equals to -2. 2Cr is equal to plus 14 minus 2. 2Cr is equals to 14 minus 2, so 12. Cr is equals to 12 divided by 2, that is equals to 6. So here also in the dichromate ion, chromium oxidation number is plus 6. Next example 5. Example 5. Calculate the oxidation number of phosphorus P. Calculate the oxidation number of phosphorus P in H3PO4. In H3PO4. So in the rules we did not discuss the oxidation number of phosphorus. So we have to find the oxidation number using the oxidation state of hydrogen and oxygen. So given the compound is H3PO4. We don't know the oxidation state of phosphorus. Let us find. So in the compounds, the oxidation number of hydrogen is always plus 1. So that except in metalloid rates. In metalloid rates, oxidation state of hydrogen is -1. But in other compounds, oxidation number of hydrogen is plus 1. So 3 hydrogens we have. 1 hydrogen oxidation state is plus 1. So 3 into 1, so that is 3. 3 into 1 plus phosphorus we don't know, you have to find. Keep as it is P plus 4 into oxygen. 4 oxygen atoms we have. So 4 into oxygen oxidation number is -2 equal to 0 because no charge on the compound, so that equal to 0. So 3 into 1 3 plus P minus 8 is equals to 0. P 3 minus 8, so that is -5 equal to 0, or P is equals to plus 5. It shows that phosphorus is pentavalent. Phosphorus is pentavalent. In H3PO4, orthophosphoric acid. H3PO4 means orthophosphoric acid. In H3PO4, phosphorus oxidation number is +5. Next, example 6. Calculate the oxidation number of sulfur. Calculate the oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4. So in H2SO4, we have to calculate oxidation state or oxidation number of sulfur, because we did not discuss the oxidation number for sulfur in our rules. So given compound is H2SO4, we have to find oxidation number of sulfur. So using the oxidation number of hydrogen and oxygen. In the compounds, hydrogen oxidation number is 1. So 2 hydrogens we have, so that 2 into 1 plus sulfur we don't know, keep as it is, yes, plus 4 into oxygen oxidation number in the compounds is -2. No charge on the compound, so equal to 0. So the 2 into 1, so 2 plus sulfur -8 equal to 0. 2 minus 8, so that is yes, -6 is equals to 0, s is equals to +6. So oxidation number of sulfur in H2SO4 is +6. Okay, next example 7. Calculate oxidation number of carbon in Na2CO3, sodium carbonate. Calculate oxidation number of carbon in Na2CO3. For carbon also, oxidation numbers we did not discuss in our rules, so that we have to calculate now oxidation state of carbon in Na2CO3. So take given compound Na2CO3, we have to calculate oxidation number of carbon. And sodium we have. Sodium is the alkali metal, first group element. So for all first group element, oxidation number is +1. So we have 2 sodiums here. So 2 into +1 is nothing but 1. So 2 into 1 plus 5 carbon as it is. Keep as it is carbon. We have to find oxidation number of carbon. Plus 3 into oxidation number is -2. No charge on the compound, so that equal to 0. So that 2 into 1, 2 plus C -6 is equals to 0. Or C 2 minus 6, so -4 equal to 0. C is equals to +4. It shows that carbon is tetravalent. And example 8. Calculate oxidation number of carbon in CH3 COOH. CH3COOH. Calculate the oxidation number of carbon in CH3COOH. Here 2 carbon atoms we have. We have to find the oxidation state of 2 carbon atoms also. So that 2C plus, how many hydrogens? 3 hydrogens plus 1. 4 hydrogens we have. Hydrogen oxidation number is +1. So that 4 into 1 hydrogen plus, we have 2 oxygen atoms. 2 into oxygen atom oxidation number is -2. That will be equal to 0, no charge on the compound. So that 2C plus 4 into 1 means 4 plus 2 into minus 2 means minus 4. That will be equal to 0. So 2C plus 4 minus 4 cancel. So 2C is equal to 0 or C is equal to 0. So in CH3COOH, in ethanoic acid, CH3COOH means acetic acid or ethanoic acid. In ethanoic acid, on both carbon atoms, oxidation number is 0. Oxidation number is 0. Next, example 9. Calculate oxidation number of nitrogen N in HNO3. In nitric acid, calculate oxidation number of nitrogen. So then given compound is HNO3. So hydrogen oxidation number is 1 plus nitrogen we have to find. Write as it is nitrogen plus we have 3 oxygen atoms. 3 into oxygen atom oxidation number is minus 2 in the compounds. No charge on the compound, so that equal to 0. So then 1 plus N, 3 into minus 2, so minus 6, that will be equal to 0. N, 1 minus 6 means minus 5 equal to 0, or N is equals to plus 5. N is equals to plus 5. So plus 5 is the oxidation state of nitrogen in HNO3. Plus 5 is the oxidation number of nitrogen in the HNO3 nitric acid. So like this, if they give any compound using the oxidation numbers of known elements, what we discussed in the rules, calculate oxidation number of unknown element in the compound. Now 8 rules discuss ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ to calculate oxidation number of the elements. Using that rules, oxidation number of unknown element in the compound is calculated.